digital camera, like my Sony one.
Yeah.
Good morning. I'm back with another fishing vlog. Today we are not doing any catch and releases. It is officially a harvest day. Yeah, really excited to do another catch and cook. I'm really hoping that I can catch something that I can cook up in this video. I have Samantha here with me. My fishing buddy's already getting started. Yeah, I'm gonna get my poles out there. We don't have any live bait. I just ordered a casting net so that we can start catching our own bait. But we're just gonna do our best with some soft plastics, and I have some worms, so I'll try to catch some bluegill and try to use that as bait. I'm gonna set this one out for bluegill. It's so peaceful out here right now.
These are so juicy. Oh, you got a new pair.
Mm-hmm, because I lost my other one. She freaking caught a shad on her little, like, what is that? Like, she's gonna give it to me and help her brother out, man. Sorry, help a sister out. Dang it. I guess that's the best I could do, right? Shit. I might use that one.
You want to use it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, okay, I got it. We're good still. I have this little guy that I'm gonna go ahead and pop on here. Who needs live bait when you have a lure that looks like live bait? I'm really curious to see if this shad look-alike gets me anything. I'm also going to spray this on it just to give me some more edge. Let me get the net!
You gotta hurry, I don't know what this is. Alexis, you gotta get in the water.
Oh! Come on! Wait, keep it! Slow down!
Okay. Okay. Oh my.
Fuck yeah!
Where is it?
Wait, bring it in. Bring it in more.
Wait, it's over here, Alexis.
Where?
It's over here.
Shit. Okay. Oh my god! Woohoo! Good job, Samantha!
Finally.
Holy shit! Samantha, we gotta get you. Hey, good job, girl. Samantha, we gotta get your picture. What the guy? We're gonna eat. We eating good today, boys. She caught us some food. On today's catch of the day, we got catfish. We got catfish tacos on the menu.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That net here is too dry.
Huh?
That net
I know it's coming today. It's probably already at the house. Who knows? My little kitchen area. There's a fish taunting Samantha. The one thing I think I'm missing is the lighter. Oh, there it is. Super windy. Okay, I'm gonna add the finishing touch, which is tartar sauce. Give us your test taste.
My fish got hands.
Mm-hmm. You motherfucker. What is wrong with you? It doesn't taste bad. It tastes good. It's buttery as fuck.
So good.
Mmm. The tartar sauce is epic.
I think I wouldn't go fishing anymore. So how's the fishing fish? I don't see a fire. Well, all right now. I'm gonna get back over there.
Why is he saying the fishing is gonna get better at that?
I don't know. I think it's not gonna get better. And we're gonna use that as bait.
You're gonna use that?
Mm-hmm. Give me that head back. We can throw that body away. You want some dates? For dessert, I brought dates. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little mini catch and cook. So far I've eaten bluegill and catfish. I think this was a blue catfish. Really wanted to eat some white bass, so I'm kind of bummed out. But we've been here since 6 and it's about to be 10. And we still haven't caught anything, so we'll keep trying probably, but yeah, I'm probably just gonna end it here. Until next time. See ya.